Hi, Rodney Chaney, Stormwater Capture Co. We're at Harwich, Massachusetts, installing the green roof at Cape Cod Regional Technical Center. The crew now, the base layer crew's wrapped up for the day. We have about 10,000 square feet of green roof base layers put down. This is going to be a StormCap 4-inch profile with pre-vegetated mat. The crew in the back of me here, they're installing the media that's going down, and that's going to be about a 2.5-inch base on top of the retention mat. So they're going to be working till 4 o'clock and getting the media down on this first almost 1/3 of the project. So Rodney Chaney, Stormwater Capture Co. up here in beautiful but chilly Harwich, Massachusetts. Cheers.